Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhoneTopics.com. Have you purchased a new MacBook? If yes, then you might be curious about operating it. But are you ignorant about the common things in it? I'll list out the common things in this video when you buy a new Mac. I'll also list out a few customization tips and tricks. So let's get into the video. Guys, the tips which I say is only for beginners and freshers, not for the average users, okay? So, alright. The first thing is screen protector. You should put the screen protector and back cover on the new Mac because it is the main thing to safeguard the device from accidental damage. It is more essential to protect a Mac screen safely and securely. For example, if the device falls on the surface, it could definitely scratch the display. So, if you want to avoid the damage or else if you want to keep your device in perfect condition, then use the screen protector on your device. That's it. Secondly, your Mac won't show the battery percentage by default. So, you should customize or add the show battery percentage in the menu bar or control center. Moreover, it is essential for all Mac users because it will show the remaining battery percentage on the top right side of the screen. For that, go to the Apple logo and then click System Preferences. There you can see the dock and menu option. Just give a click. Then choose the battery option and as well as enable the two options, that is show in menu bar and show percentage. Now you can see the battery percentage next to the battery icon at the top of the screen. That's it. Third one is update the device. Guys, normally Apple will release the new update on your MacBook, so make sure to update your device. For that, click the Apple logo and then select about this Mac option. So now click the software update. It is checking for updates. Once after it is done, check for the latest software updates available. If it is, then tap on the upgrade now option to update to the latest version. That's it. Next is about the touch bar. Guys, if your MacBook has a touch bar, then you can change the control strip buttons. I'll say how to do that. First, open the Apple logo and then click System Preferences. You can see the keyboard option. Just give a click. In that, click the Customize Control Strip. Here you can arrange buttons or add buttons or else remove buttons from the control strip. Now I'm gonna add button in the control strip. Use the trackpad to drag the buttons from the screen on the control strip. That's it. We'll move to the next one now, that is install the Volume Booster app. I'm saying this because by default your Mac volume will be very low. So if you want to increase or boost the audio level on your device, then kindly install the Volume Booster app on your Mac. I'll suggest Boom 2 Volume Booster app for your Mac because that will be perfect, okay? I have given the link to buy in the description. You can check it out. And now I'm gonna talk about the most important thing that everyone should do when you buy a new Mac. That is nothing but antivirus protection. Yes, just install the antivirus protection software to secure the device because it will prevent the unknown application from causing harmful effects to your Mac. So kindly do it. While you open the files on Mac, it will scan and check for the virus. If it finds something suspicious, then you can see the warning message, that is these files will damage your device. So you can use Avira software for the protection purpose. That's it. Guys, are you wondering about how to sync files and folders to iCloud? Don't worry, I'll say how to do that. To sync files and folders to iCloud on Mac, you can use the iCloud Drive to sync a folder to all the Apple devices to set this up on the new Mac. And later, you can do the different kind of work on the different devices, right? So, first go to System Preferences. Before that, we have to go to the Apple logo and then click System Preferences. Click the iCloud account. And guys, make sure that the iCloud Drive is turned on. Select that option. Now enable the desktop and document folder. See, you have to click on the options and then you can see desktop and documents folder at the top, right? Just give a click and then hit on the done button. That's it. Next, I'm gonna tell you how to change or customize the trackpad. So with these cool features, you can change or customize the trackpad settings like natural scrolling, zoom in, zoom out, smart zoom, rotate. Here I'm gonna show you how to speed up the cursor on the Mac screen. For that, first go to System Preferences and choose the trackpad. See, it is here. Then select the point and click tab, that is the first tab you can see here, and move the tracking speed slider to the right side to speed up the cursor. That's it. You can move the cursor so that the cursor speed will be high. That's it. Guys, we came to the last one, that is install Find My app on your Mac. Sometimes if you unfortunately lose or if your Mac is stolen, you can use the Find My Mac to locate and protect the device. It will help to find your Mac on the Apple device and also you can track the device. For this, you must keep your location turned on. So guys, these are the main things to do first on your Mac. I hope you have done it right now, right? Did I leave any common things? If it is, then tell what is that in the comment section. And if you want to know about useful Mac guides, feel free to visit our channel, as well as like, share and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com and tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. Bye bye.